Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a unboxing video and first impressions of this bad boy right here. This is the Corsair HS65 surround sound headset that works with almost everything. So yeah, it comes with the headset itself, a good microphone, and a USB dongle to plug it into your PC and get that surround sound. Comes with Dolby Audio as well. It's mostly a plastic headset with some metal on it, and without further ado, let's hop into the unboxing of this thing. Okay, so here we have the headset itself, HS65 surround sound, all the standard information on here. Here's the back, here's what it comes with. Let me just focus on this, and yeah, let's just crack this thing open and see what we got. I'm not sure if there's tape on this. Oh, there is. I can edit this out in post, but don't cut towards yourself like that. I kind of had to, though. All right, let's take this out. Let's see what we got. Pop this open. And let's lay this stuff out this way. There we go. Let's put the box off to the side and let's see what we get in here. It kind of unfolds like so. We have the headset right there and the cable. And I think that's about it. Silica gel, no one cares. Paperwork. Also, no one's really going to read this. We got a quick pamphlet on the thing. Not going to read that. And safety information. Not going to use that. And here's the actual dongle that it comes with. Let's crack this open. Or rip this open, I should say. Alright, here we go. Here's the USB dongle, so USB-A to 3.5 aux. So that's to plug into your PC and get surround sound on that, so that's cool. And let's take a look at the headset itself, and I will also switch over to my webcam view on my PC so you can actually see what this looks like on my actual head. So first off, right off the bat, it feels lightweight. Nice Corsair logo right there. If I can focus on that, that's looking really nice. Wow. So we have like a leather, I think it's a leatherette or some sort of like fake leather material on the outside, but on the inside cushions, it's more of that like soft memory foam feel, which I do like. I actually like that on the interior, touching your ears, rather than that leather material. Personal preference, but then we have a volume slider right here. If we can focus on that. Volume slider right here. Pretty easy, not too much resistance there. And then we have the mic that can mute. Once you put it up like this, it'll automatically mute, which that's cool. Pull it down. It's also rubber, so you can bend it and stuff like that. And let's take this plastic off, as we don't want plastic on our microphone. Okay, so that's it for the actual unboxing of this thing. I don't think there's anything else that comes in the box, at least. But nice memory foam. Headband as well, super soft. Plastic up top. And we have the Corsair logo right there. As you can see, my camera doesn't want to focus for some reason. But yeah, there's the headset itself. And yeah, looks good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the headset itself. I have this on my head. Overall comfort, initial impressions, I think it's solid. One thing I wish I could tweak a little, sadly I can't, it's probably due to my head shape a little, is just if the microphone came down a little further. That's just one gripe I have right now, but all the audio you're hearing right now is directly coming from the Corsair microphone. So let me know how this sounds. I had to up the gain a little on Windows just because out of the box it was a little quiet, so I upped the gain a little. Now it seems like it's back to normal. As I said before, super comfy, really good noise isolation. On my previous ones right here on the V-Moda mic, as well as the Philips 9600K, I think it is, or 9600H. A little more loosey, flimsy, not as secure on my head as these ones, but overall I think the comfort is there, and I tested the sound quality a little as well, so I guess I can hit on that a little. Overall sound quality, in my opinion, is stellar. Honestly, I think it might actually be better than this Philips headset, which I paid $90 for. This goes for $80, but I got it on sale for, I think, 68 or no 70 for $70. So it comes with the mic, it comes with the USB adapter to get the surround sound. I could tell once I plugged it in my PC and I heard that surround sound, like a night and day difference between the Philips open back design and like these closed off design. Just like you can tell like sounds coming from like all different directions and stuff like that. So initial impressions, I like the headset. Obviously I can't give you like a sort of like finalized review of them after only using them for like an hour, but initial impressions, I give it 2 thumbs up. And yeah, I guess I can leave links down in the description if you guys actually want to go pick up this headset off Amazon. I got it for a deal, and hopefully that deal is still running by the time this video's up, but it may not, so we'll see. Overall, I like the black design. It looks clean, makes my head look thinner. These things were like really, really chunky. Comfortable, I will say. And also the V-Moda Boom Pro mic kind of just like would spin all the way around. It was never like secure. So yeah, with that, I will leave you guys and comment down below what you think of this headset audio. And yeah, see you in the next video. Peace out.